7.7, guys. Remember, today is all about getting ready for that first quiz tomorrow. So write your name. Please do not write N-A-M-E. Write your name, not name. And your period, 1, 2, 3, 4, whatever it is. Okay. So notice that I've been slowly kind of weaning you away from giving you all the answers, and I'm going to do the same today. But I am going to help you get started. We have to match each rate. Remember, rate is another word for speed or slope with a table and a graph. So let's do the tables first. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 choices for the tables, and we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to match up. So that means we're going to use every table once. Let's take a look here. They've given us rates. Okay, so what we've got to do is find the rate for each table and then match it up. We should be able to do this. Remember, rates are the difference in distance over the difference in seconds. So we're going to take the difference, remember, change in feet, and divide it by the change in seconds. So the change in feet here was a positive 2, 21 to 23. The change in rate here was a positive 4. So if we take 2 feet divided by 4 seconds, 2 feet divided by 4 seconds, try that in your calculator. You get 0.50 feet per second. So come up here. Which one is 0.50? No, this one. 0.50 right there. So A, table A, matches up with E. All right, easy enough. Okay, let's try the next one. Well, actually, let's try the easy one. I noticed that this was a 0 feet per second. Which table does the distance never change? Ah, look, distance never changes. So that rate is going to be a 0 feet per second. So E has to go here. So look at that, 2 down. So keep doing what I just showed you. Find the difference here and the difference here. I'll do one more with you. 39 to 33 gives you a negative 6. 39 to 33 gives you down 6. 0 to 2 gives you plus 2. Negative 6 feet over 2 seconds equals negative 3 feet per second. Let's go back up here and find negative 3 right here. So B goes here. All right, you can finish this table and this table on your own now. All right, let me help you with this. The first thing I do is when we look at these, we know we're going to match them up with 5 different rates. So I take a look at my rates, and the first one, the easiest one to identify, is the 0 feet per second. 0 feet per second is a flat line. This is 0 feet per second. So that has to be X. I also noticed that this is a positive rate. This is a positive rate. I know that this is a negative rate. And by the way, that's really fast. So negative and fast. And this is also negative, but just a little bit slower than that one. Okay, so let's see what else we got. I know we've got 0, so that's out. What's the fastest rate? Well, 2.5 is pretty fast. 3 is even faster. So 3 is the fastest rate. Which is the steepest line? That is absolutely the steepest, or the closest to straight up and down line, and it's negative. So negative really fast, negative 3. Sounds good to me. So then this one, Z, is the negative fast one. The only other one that's negative is Y. So come up here, what's the only other negative one that we see? Negative 1.5. Now we've got 2.5 and 0.5 left. So you've got to decide which is 0.5 and which is 2.5. Remember, the faster you are, the steeper you're going to be. The slower you are, the flatter you are. So 0.5 is not very fast. That's like a half. So this is pretty close to a half. So this guy is going to be W. That looks like 2.5, and so this one's going to be V. All right, you guys can finish the rest. All right, staying sharp. We gave you some hints in class, and I think you'll be able to help them. All right, guys, see you in class. Good luck on the quiz tomorrow.